Hello, friends. Welcome back to more trading signals for cryptocurrencies. Today is the 12th of February. So, we basically got another red day. Yesterday was kind of in range. And in my opinion, we are kind of bouncing off this level. Like I told you before, I believe this is not going to be the true bottom of the cycle, okay? And especially because if we take a look at Ethereum, which is something that I talked about previously. If you take a look at Ethereum, you will see that the current position is not even, it's still far from the low on the last year, on April. So, in order for well, this gives you, like I said, an idea, okay? Because there has never been an instance, there has never been a situation in any cycle, in any crypto, where you have a coin reaching the all-time high after reaching the cycle low. Okay, usually it's the all-time high first and then the cycle low after, right there. So right now it's not even on this level. I mean, it's still far from the all-time low on the last year. So in order for, in my opinion, however, in order for that to happen, it will be extremely weird, extremely strange. And like I said, there are no previous instances, so we have basically no frames of reference regarding such an event. That is the reason why I believe the true bottom has not been reached. Because until Ethereum goes below the low of the last year, which is around this level, it has to go below this in order to actually qualify for a true low, in my opinion. But as you can see, the overall outlook is still very bullish. I mean bearish. You see the price dumping, and that's exactly what we can see in previous cycles. You see this is on the weekly time frame, so take a look at this. We're talking more than 6, almost 10, even possibly more than 10 consecutive red weeks in the last cycle. So far we only have like one, two, three, four currently right now. So in my opinion, yes, we will go lower. And I actually close some positions, some short positions, because basically I really don't mind if the price goes lower. Okay, you can always try to short whenever we have a local top, a local high. Um, and like I said, in Ethereum, in the case of Ethereum, it's not really extremely far from the level that I close the position. Even if it goes to somewhere like this, you can always short around some level of this month and you'll still get some nice profits. This is what I do because I usually just want to keep the. I mean, I already got most of the major movements already with the short. So I shorted around the highest position of January, like I told you, and right now it's a very decent gain. Okay, it was a very decent gain, and that money could actually be used to increase positions in new shorts. We'll have to see. I still have some positions open, but like I told you, this is my opinion. And if we go to the indicator, we're going to see something really good, very fascinating. You see, the indicator actually works extremely well. This is not my opinion. Some other people, my friends, clients, especially the ones who are also using the indicator, they know the extreme accuracy that this powerful tool has. Okay, it allows you to short and long any type of coin, any type of asset in any single day, whatever the circumstances, you can get a lot of money. Not again, I'm not talking about myself here. I mean, I have seen my friend Brickwall and others, because I do have other clients who are also telling me it's an extremely easy to use tool and extremely effective. My friend has made a lot of money with this indicator. I have seen that. So it's extremely powerful. And as you can see on Solana right now, well, not right now, but some hours ago, you had a very nice position to actually place a long here. So this is a good time to long. In my opinion, there could be some other divergences, because if we go to the 10-hour time frame, which is the one that I like to use to kind of give me an idea of what the next days have. in terms of the trend, and right now it's on green. Okay, I do have corrections for around these days. Actually, today was a correction. It was in my prediction fully red. So as you can see, it was a full correction today. But I still have some other volatile days, especially like the 14 and maybe also the 15. And because of that, there could be a chance that we can actually go lower very soon. Okay, I'm not so 100% sure because, in my opinion, this already qualifies for a very strong correction. The day of today, basically. So I don't know, but it's still possible to see even more powerful corrections. In any case, a long from here and maybe closing the long at around the levels that we get on the 1 hour time frame with the indicator, most likely around reaching $80, and at most 83 could be a good time to take some profits. That's of course using the indicator. Okay, no other indicator predicts the price and gives you extremely accurate levels like this. Another thing that I have to tell you, well, there's really not much to tell you guys. I mean, the indicator is doing wonders. I will trade meme coins very soon. Okay, I have found that I do have a strategy that I kind of really didn't pay much attention because I was 100% focused on creating the indicators. But now that I'm free for some time, and maybe it's a good time to go back to meme coins, especially because uh, I once promised in this channel that I will create a meme coin group, some kind of alpha group for people to join and, trade some coins if you are interested in meme coins. So eventually that could actually play out. We'll have to see again. Still very soon. I haven't traded meme coins since like forever, but in my test, very small test, very inconsequential test, the results have been acceptable to say the least. So we'll have to see how it goes. But yeah, guys, as you can see, one final look with the 10-hour time frame at the coins. You can see Ethereum also green, Bitcoin also green, AVAX. AVAX has a very good performance from what I can see. Actually, AVAX didn't really uh, wasn't really affected by the crash today, by the dip today. XRP kinda in range. Yeah, XRP loves to be in range most of the time. I really don't trade XRP. XLM in green right now. Uh, Pepe also in green, and the USDT dollar dominance going now red, which again, this has to be read in the complete opposite fashion. Okay, if it goes green, that means the coins are going down. If it goes red, the coins are going up. So yeah, maybe like I said, it was a good time to long. I really could not long right now, especially on Solana. I really like to long at the very lowest positions. In this case, this was a very good position because, again, even if we go replay, okay, if we go replay to somewhere like this, to the highest position of well, basically, yeah, the highest position of today, we can see that it was a very close support right here. So 77, okay, let's see how it goes. And you will see how the price reacts to that zone. Kind of dips a little bit lower, but very close to this zone, okay, very close. This is not even a high percentage difference. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Take care. Good. If you want to have access to the indicators, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for all the work. See you guys next time. Take care.